Okay guys, we're back again for another video. So today is the day we are moving house. So I thought I'd record the video, show you guys what goes into moving house here in Thailand, where we're moving to, how we're changing, all the rest of it. We've got a removals company on the way here now. It is about 6:45 in the morning. So we're moving to Buriram, which is about 6 hours away from where we're living now. Oh, it's twisted the wrong way. There we go. It's about 6 hours away from where we're living now. So we're going to try and get started, get all this done early morning so that they can obviously get up there and we'll get unloaded, so it's not like 10 o'clock tonight we're getting sorted. So we've loaded the truck up already. Truck is over there and loaded, bikes on the back, stuff on the back, etc, etc, etc. Now we are going to wait for these guys to turn up. They are going to load the truck up for us and then we'll leave, make a few stops on the way up there, get some breakfast, that sort of thing, and then we will get there, get the keys, show you guys the new village, show you guys where we're living next, and then get on to moving into the new house. Anyway, here's the house, all packed up and done with. Everything's all pretty much ready to go. We bubble wrapped stuff and whatever. We've not got loads of stuff, but we have enough. If you know, we have enough stuff. We've got the bedrooms with a few more bits and bobs in there as well, so it's not too bad. Right, I'll show you guys when the removals guys get here and we start getting loaded up. Let's go. Okay, so removals guys are here now, get everything loaded up and sorted. The truck's pretty big, it should be enough to get everything on there. We've got quite a lot of stuff. We've got a lot of like wardrobe and bed and mattresses and sofas and all the rest of it. So it should be enough. We just need to put in the boxes and things like that, and then now we'll get everything sorted. We'll see how we get loaded up there. Well, it has to fit because obviously we're moving today, so we'll see how it works out, but I'm sure it'll be fine. They got a big enough lorry as well, which is good. We'll make it work. Well, that's the majority of this stuff taken out already. These little fat pups. Yo, little girl. So we've got all of our frozen meats and stuff all put into here. Hopefully that is okay and it doesn't melt by the time we get there. We've got a lot of beef mince and shit like that from places we get down here that can't get up there, so makes sense. Nearly there. There we go, last few bits going on. Amazing. So that's the lorry pretty much filled up now. We've got a last couple of little random bits going on there, but that is literally it. House is cleaned out and we are out of here. Can't believe it, it's the end of an era. We're moving out of Pattaya, we're moving to Buriram. It's going to be completely different. Looking forward to it, but anyway, I think that's us done with. We'll get sorted, last few bits done, truck's already loaded, and then we'll get out of here. Pet dogs. You do it, born over here. Relaxing little dog. So that's the cover going on now, so our stuff doesn't get wet in case it rains, which it looks like it's probably not going to, but you never know. Thailand, it could just freak weather storm it out. But anyway, nearly there now. Do you two ever stop trying to kill each other? You stay, you two. Look at the anger. Horrible dogs. Yeah, horrible dogs. Thing is, Sausage, you make all the noise, but we know who beats you up. You get beaten up by Duchess all the time, don't you? Little fat sausage. Oh, she's got his lip. Horrible dogs. Right, so that's them guys heading out of here now. We've sorted the house out already, everything's ready to go. Truck's loaded as well, so let's get out of here. We'll stop on the way, get some food, get sorted and whatever, and then we'll get there, show you guys the new house and get settled in. Let's do it. Hey. So we've got our stations. You alright there, sausage dog? Oh, I think he's alright there in the middle. Let's go. Oh wait, we got a no, stay. You stay in there for a minute. We'll let her out in a minute. Right, sausage, you ready to go? We are ready to go. Duchess, we'll be out of here in a minute. You'll be straight out of there and on the lap, all right? No, just wait a minute. As always, just stopped for that. They go along the side selling donuts, selling things, and we just grabbed some donuts. Amazing. Sausage is definitely interested in them. Okay, so first stop, we're gonna get some food, we're gonna go to the toilet, get ourselves sorted. We've been driving about 2 hours now, so we thought we'll stop, get some food, go to the toilet, get sorted, get a drink, and then we'll get back on the way again now. And I thought, why not? We saw a KFC, and you know, anyone who knows me knows how much I love a Thai KFC, so only makes sense. Green curry from KFC is absolutely elite. We've got some chips and chicken as well, and some rice over there. Amazing. Well, I'm on my own right now. I shouldn't be on my own, but you know, this isn't all for me. Amazing. Right, just had some food, just got sorted. Now we're ready to go. You can smell the chicken on me, can't you? You can smell the chicken. Right, now we're gonna get out of here. We'll probably stop again in a couple of hours' time when we're sort of a couple of hours out, and then you can smell the chicken. You smell the chicken? You can. Right, let's go. Just stopped at the lights and we saw Spider-Man. Okay, so we are literally 3 minutes away from the house. Here's our local temple, which is a beautiful temple as well, I will say. Very nice looking temple. Plenty going on in there. So that'll be our little local temple to go over our little morning prayers on a Sunday morning. Amazing. And we are literally 5 minutes out now, so we are not very far away. Quite some funky old hair there, lovely. We are 5 minutes out, and then we'll be there. Shops, the CJ, 7-Eleven, and a few other little bits and bobs to get some food from, little foods and things and whatever, Thai stuff. All here. Hello, hello. And we've got car shop, everything else we need. And at our house, oh, I haven't got barbecue, but we get some meat from and all the rest of it. And literally, our house is just down here. Okay, so here is our village. Let's pull in. Amazing. We're gonna get stopped by security here though as well. Okay, so we've been granted permission because obviously we live here now. And that's that. So here's the little village. Not a bad place. Okay, so this one's our house down in here. Ah, and there's the agent already outside. Yeah, I'll turn around and bring it in. This is our house here. Amazing. Okay, so I've just got the scooters and whatnot off the back of the truck. We've only got a few little bits in the truck. We don't have very much in here. But here is our new home for the time being. We're going to be here a year or two probably. So anyway, let's go in, check it out. This is the lounge. Obviously we have our own stuff, so we'll put this in the spare room. TV, again we've got one, but obviously that's on the wall, so we'll leave that one here. Here is the officey spare room, whatever. Not too bad. They've locked this room by mistake, thinking something else. We know they're going to come back with the key in a minute. And then here's one bathroom, not too shabba-dabbas. And then you come through to here, which is the, actually one more thing, there's a massive fucking mirror here as well. You come through here, here's the master bedroom. I'll put this stuff in here. We've got a nice big triple wardrobe, which is awesome. And then through here is a little ensuite. Ensuite there. Oh, there we go. I'm going to turn that way. Not so bad, not too bad, not too bad. Quite nice. And then we go back through here. I'll show you guys the kitchen. Kitchen's a little bit small, but it's more than enough. Okay, we've got a fridge, so we've got a spare fridge now. And then here's the kitchen. Very nice. And then obviously it goes through to out the back where it links round from the front. So we got out the back here, washing machine, that sort of thing. Oh, you can see the neighbours. And then round the side here. Oh, hello, hello. Round the side there. Goes back towards the front of the house. Or that way is grass back around the front of the house. So it's a really nice place. I'm really happy with what we've got here. All the rest of it, it's really, really, really nice. Different location, different area. Hello, my little doggos. Hello, hello. But yeah, really impressed with this house, isn't it? We're going to shoot to Do Home and Home Pro in a minute as we need to find a bed. We haven't got a bed frame. We've got a mattress and whatnot, but we haven't got a bed frame. So we need to go try and find ourselves a bed frame quickly. The lorry's about 3 hours behind us, so we've got plenty of time to get sorted, ready to go. We've already unloaded the truck, so we've got plenty of time to get out, sort those bits, and then be back before they even arrive. So perfect. We'll go out, get some shopping as well, get some stuff. I'll show you guys the local shops area and where we're going to go now as well, and show you what we're going to get. Anyway, stay tuned for the next bit. Right, so just leaving now to go get some supplies for the house because we've literally got nothing. But here's the little village. I thought I'd show another angle of it. They've painted their house, how lovely. Painted it pink. Very snazzy. Really, really nice village, really quiet. Security's good. It all seems really nice, so I'm quite happy with this anyway. Right, well, let's go find some food. Okay, so literally 4 minutes away from the house, we have a Home Pro. Oh, here we go, there we go. Literally 4 minutes away from the house, so we're going now to try and find some bed. Hopefully they got one. If not, we're going to do Home afterwards, which definitely will have one, maybe, hopefully. Okay, so just been through there and there's nothing in there, so now we need to go to the next shop and see if we can find anything there, because sadly nothing in here. A few nice sofas and a few nice bits and bobs, but nothing we actually need. Okay, so we're outside the second stop now. Hopefully this one's a little bit better, we'll have to see. It's called Concept. They've actually got quite a lot of cool stuff in here. I've seen it online and the rest of it, so let's have a little look and see what they've got. I mean, they've already got stuff. As soon as you walk in, they've got beds and bits and bobs straight away, so let's go have a little look. This place is massive. There you go, beds right there, there's beds everywhere, so let's have a little look, let's find something. Loads of beds. But so ignore the mattress and not get the mattress, but the bed, I think this is probably the better one. Not too bad, 6,000, so that's like £145 or so, which isn't too bad. We're still going to go have one more look at one more shop, because I'm not going to rush into it, but that is quite nice. Not too bad, nothing fancy, but nothing too nice either. Right, so we were walking out. As we were walking out, she said, I'll tell you what, we'll drop at the price. So you dropped the price even more. So I tell you what, buck it, we'll just got it. So we just left Concept now, we've ordered it. The order will be here tomorrow morning. So that's it, perfect, easy and done with. Very fucking simple, that, very fucking easy, very simple. Anyways, yeah, they're gonna be here tomorrow morning to unload it and set it up for us. So tonight we haven't got a bed, but we have got a mattress, obviously. So we're fine for tonight. But tomorrow night we'll have a bed, which is nice, isn't it? So anyway, let's go now over to Big C, go get some supplies, some water and that sort of stuff as well, isn't it? Easy, let's go. Okay, so we've just made the next stop off now. We are now in Big C. Well, we're in like the main mall part, not actually into the actual cinema, into the actual place yet. They have got a cinema here as well, which is pretty cool. But yeah, so we're going to go through now, go into Big C, get some water, get some supplies, everything we need for the house. Then we'll head home. We've just spoken to the guy who's doing the removals, and they're about an hour or so away from us now. So let's go get these bits sorted, and then we'll get home ready for when they get here. Perfect. This is your Big C now. Amazing. It's like a big Tesco or whatever. Well, we've ended up getting half the fucking shop, but we've got what we need. We've got some water, we've got bits for the house, things that we need. We need Coke, water, some Canon, we need some diapers, we need a few different bits and bobs. So we just come out and got all of it. So that's that sort anyway. Ooh, there we go. Big C Plus, there we go. Right, that is all the supplies bought and back in the truck. Now let's get home, meet the removals guys, and get the last of the stuff put in the house. Let's go. Okay, so the removals guys have in fact just left. I was too busy getting everything sorted and everything unloaded and all the rest of it to get a video out. Things just didn't work. But anyway, here is everything out of the house. It is an absolute fucking mess in here. We can't get into that room. They didn't give us the key for this room to get in, which is madness. It's locked and they didn't give us a key for it. So they're going to come back tomorrow and give us a key, which is just typical. So half of the stuff that's meant to be going in there is all of this is meant to be going in there, and obviously we can't go in there. We've put all of this into this room already, got that already set up. Lounge is already set up. We've got the bed on the way with tomorrow's. We've got a mattress for now, and the kitchen stuff. So we've got a lot to sort out, a lot to unpack, and a lot to do. But that's going to be for tomorrow. Now it's now like 8 o'clock. They got here so late. Obviously it's a long drive from Pattaya, especially in a long truck as well, and a big truck as well. They're probably going very slow, so we're going to get sorted now, have some food because we're starving, and then finish unpacking and get to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Something a little bit different. Sadly, I missed the removals guys doing all the stuff in this bit here, but I was just too busy trying to get everything sorted. It was so late, I just wanted to get everything done. So I'm sorry I missed that bit, guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video anyways. I heard a lot of dogs screaming. And this is the new place. This is the new setup. And hello, little pups. They've been locked up, obviously, because they didn't want to run out and do anything. Although they probably won't, but whilst the removal's here, it just made sense to lock them up, didn't it? Didn't it, pooches? Right, let's get sorted. Enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe, all the rest of it. Catch you guys in the next one.